Step 6 in making your Read Aloud EPUB is adding a play button. Now you don't really have to do this step, but it is quite nice to add a button because sometimes it can be hard, especially for children, to figure out how to start Read Aloud. So we've added that in our Read Aloud panel. So I'll get our Read Aloud tools, attach a start button, and it's actually going to look for a button that's on the animation layer. So I'm going to actually bring up the animation tools as well and show you how to do that. So I've got a graphic ready. So I'm going to use this little PNG as my play button. Drop that on the page in InDesign. Little tip is don't put it too near the edge of the page if you don't want the page to turn, because sometimes a tap towards the edge of a page can mean a page turn to an EPUB reader. So with that, I'm actually going to make a new animation setting. Making a new animation setting, I'm just going to do a little pulse. You can change how long, put a little delay in how many times it occurs, etc. I'll say OK. And if I've got something selected, it will offer to attach that. So as you've seen, CircularFLO will make the layers that it requires, and flow animation becomes the animation layer. And actually the button needs to be on the animation layer, even if you don't want to add animation to it, in order for this button attach start and stop to a button. So in my Read Aloud Tools panel, click on that one. That's all you need to do. That button is now ready to be the start button for the Read Aloud. So on to the next step.